Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds BELKIN SoundForm ClearFit. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth turn on. So open control panel, and if it's disabled, just click on it and we just turn on them. Now, these earbuds should reconnect with your phone automatically, but for iOS devices, we need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and click at the earbuds at the device list. And now we have connection. You can also try to do the same on your Android device. Maybe it will help you. Next step, if it didn't help you, we need to perform a software set. To perform a software set, you need to put both of your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from your phone, and we can also check it at the device list. If you have iOS, you will see that's no connection. And if you have Android, your earbuds will move from My Devices to Save Devices, also meaning the same, that it's disconnected. Then you just open the charging case and your earbuds should reconnect with your phone. So if you have Android, it will return to My Devices. If you have iOS, you will see connection. If the factory reset didn't help you also, software reset, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to press and hold at the both of your touch areas for at least 10 seconds. The touch area is located at the back side of each earbud. Right here we have BELKIN, and this one is touch areas. So you press and hold, and you need to check if the LED light blinking white and blue, and then turn off. So it means that reset complete. Now let's press and hold. Firstly it starts blinking blue. Just enter to pairing mode, don't worry, just keep holding touch areas. Now it blinking white and blue, and turn off. You can release your fingers, and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. So you need to enter to the Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and if you have iOS, you can turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you need to tap on them at the device list. You don't need to enter pairing mode manually. And we have connection. If all of these methods didn't help you, we can also reset Bluetooth settings, but once you did it, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Apple device, and then I will move to Android. So, on your iPhone, open Settings, and we need to go to General Settings. So, you need to scroll down a bit. Right here we have General, enter here, and scroll down again. At the bottom, we have Transfer Reset iPhone. Click on this line, and then click Reset. In this window, we need to select Reset Network Settings, because on iPhone we haven't opportunity to reset Bluetooth settings, so we have only, the Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. So click right here, then write your password, and click Reset Network Settings. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for iPhone. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings, and then we need to go to the system. So scroll down and click on the system. In the system, we need to scroll down again. I have stock Android, and right here it's located at the bottom. So we have reset options. Click on this line, then select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and click Reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!